Do you want to protect your health in an easy way? Do you want to clean surfaces and be sure they are safe and free from germs? Are you concerned about the constant spreading of bacteria and viruses? Do you find difficult to constantly wash your hands everywhere? Hands are the most important tool we have, as we literally use them for everything, building things, working, or just hugging our loved ones. Unfortunately, during all these activities, our hands touch things we do not know how much clean they are. That's why our hands are exposed to every kind of germs and viruses that can cause many diseases to us and our beloved ones. In modern society, however, we are always in a rush and often we do not have access to running water to wash our hands properly. This is why the hand sanitizers are a big commodity of our times, as they are more portable and require less time than washing your hands. And that's why they are always sold out in the stores. According to the WHO, World Health Organization, proper hand washing can help you avoid most of these diseases. This simple habit can kill almost all the bacteria and viruses on your hands. In this book, you will discover how to make hand sanitizers in the comfort of your home with proven and effective, easy-to-make and step-by-step recipes. There is a lot more you will discover in this practical guide. 5 tested recipes to be used both for hand sanitizers and cleaning wipes. Alternative recipes for hand sanitizers with aloe and essential oils. How to make sanitizer wipes. What to add in your hand sanitizers to ensure your hands' skin health, and much more. This book contains very useful information about the importance of hand hygiene. Gives recipes of homemade hand sanitizers and cleaning wipes with simple step-by-step instructions. So, what are you waiting for? Visit link in description below.